Hi everybody, how y'all doing? Name is Ronald. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going over my November's to-do list, or what I got lined up for November. I'm gonna be doing to-do lists more often from here on out. Just like I said, I don't have that much stuff I have to do. Just the basic stuff. And this is going to go ahead and let you know what I'm doing for November and what I got planned out, etc. And what I got going on for 2022. Alrighty, let's get into it. Alrighty, my to-do list for November is 1. Clean my editing rig. Yes, it has been 2 years, and I can see the dust building up into it. So yes, it's time to go ahead and do that. So that'll be that'll be video number 1. Cleaning my editing rig. And go ahead on and going over discussing the parts in my editing rig, etc. and why I chose them and why I'm so happy with them. Number 2 is to talk about the new Intel motherboards that's coming out on November 4th, 2021. Go ahead and discuss those motherboards. Go ahead on and let the newcomers know that you got new parts out there, want to use them and build with them. Talk about the price of them and how y'all gonna go ahead and use them in 2021 and throughout of 2022. I got some price list videos coming out for new PC builders. Yes, we're in the holiday season. That's video number 3. We're in the holiday season, just like I said. I'll be putting all the links in the description below after each PC part price list. To all the newcomers, if you like the price list, go ahead on and click on the affiliate link in the description below and order the parts. That helps my channel out a lot, and it means a whole lot to me as well too. But just like I said, I am a budget builder, and I do my price list based upon a budget, because in my perspective, if you want to go ahead and buy high-end parts, that's up to you. But just like I said, that the GPU is the most expensive thing of the build, so it's up to you. If you find good deals where you can get a motherboard combo, such as the motherboard or RAM or motherboard CPU, I prefer for y'all to jump on those too. I'm not gonna get mad at the consumers, because it's your money. Buy what you feel was best for you. I appreciate that. And I want y'all to go ahead and follow y'all budget and follow your hearts of the parts y'all pick. And just go ahead on there. I'm gonna be putting my Twitter address up there. I would love to see y'all builds and why y'all choose the parts for your builds and what you have in store for your new PC. Alrighty, video number 4 will be the redo of my introduction video. Yes, the introduction video is a redo over. The first one, I was a little nervous, explaining what I would like to do with my channel. I'm not gonna go ahead and build my channel off just about tech. I love my outdoors activity, which I'm gonna get ready to get into. One of them is kind of like shut off right now, because my trail they doing in the park is under construction. They fixing some minor things up with that, but I do love my fishing, etc. Taking my grandson to the park, etc. PC builds. I love talking about my sports, whether it's fantasy football. I'll be getting into a little bit of sports talk as well. So that'll be for 2022. And and then my introduction video, I noticed that when I read my comments in my YouTube page, I get a lot of hacklers that's not understanding what my page is really about. So I want to do this video and for new viewers as well too, because I want to go ahead and build my page over viewers that trust my information and believe in me as I believe in my viewers. So I'm gonna go ahead on and let everybody know that. And the colors I use is red, blue. I love black. I love white. I'll be discussing those colors as well as why I love those colors and why I'm choosing those and sticking with them, and etc. Video number 5 will be what's in store for me in 2022. Just like I said, with that there, I'll be discussing what I'm going to be doing in 2022. I got a whole lot I want to do with my channel. You know, I got 4 perspectives to do, and I'm going to go ahead and be doing those as well too. And I'm going to go ahead on it and be enjoying growing my channel. You know, I want to go ahead and get my product line out through my channel, through my YouTube channel. So I'll be sponsoring my own page using my products. I have a business administration degree. I want to administrate my business. I'm working hard to spend my own money to get my product line out, which is my shirts and my coffee mugs, just to start off with the basics. And then as my sales grows, I'll just go ahead and venture out and add more to it. So, you know, that's my main thing for 2022, is to go ahead and get my product line out, discuss more what I want to do, as well as being a sports announcer, you know, doing my own sports podcast with the Dolphins, Miami Heat. I'm not too much of a Marlin fan, nor Panther fan, but I will be mentioning their scores and talk about the top players in game by game. So y'all go ahead and look out for that for 2022. And last but not least, I will be talking about Windows 11. And I want to ask viewers, is this a great option for now and throughout 2022? I'll be putting 2 of my great mentors that's helping me, you know, grow my channel, watching them do their thing, because they all up there in subscribers, and I want to be up there with them as well too. So they showing me a whole lot to do as building my channel as well too. I'll be putting Linus video. He talked about Windows 11 and is it suitable for gaming, and hardware unboxed. They did the same thing too. So I'll be putting those 2 video links in the description below, so if y'all want to watch them, y'all can, and y'all can understand, is Windows 11 a great fit for you, and as well as my opinion as well too, because for me, I am not upgrading to Windows 11. I might just go back to Linux, Ubuntu, or Zorin. So, but I need to find out the hardware is supportive through Ubuntu. So I used Linux in 2011 all the way to 2014, and the reason why, because I was doing my taxes and certain tax software was not supported through there, but now since we can do them online, it's not an issue. So I'll be talking more about that, and if I do make the change to Linux, then I'll be Linux bound from here on out. I think Linux is a great software. There's no issues with it. It's easy, it's simple. You got a lot of people, Linus Tech Tip employee staff use Linux, and they're gaming off Linux. I mean, some of y'all may be doing the same thing as well too, but other than that, everything is good to go. And I'll be talking about that, and that'll be about basically it. But the main thing I want to go ahead and get out, I might go ahead and get started on that soon, is my reintroduction video. Just like I mentioned before, I have a lot of hacklers that's on my page, and them hacklers are really destroying my page, really destroying my viewers. And I'm trying to get subscribed, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a lot of networking. So I gotta get my networking game on, and also get my PR game on, so I can go ahead and get some free hardware such as CPU coolers and case fans sent out. Motherboards, those are for the big. I'm trying to find one motherboard manufacturer that I could use into builds and etc. They could sponsor the video. You know, I'm trying to work on my PR games, so I get some sponsorships as well, so I could go ahead and do some builds, and we could go ahead and get those giveaways. So that'll be one of my main things I'll be talking about for 2022 as well. I want to go ahead on and thank y'all for watching. You know, hit the like button if you like my hit the like button. Sorry about that, viewers. Hit the like button if you like my to-do list. These are my plans I got going on for November. And for the holiday season, I'm just gonna go ahead and chill and relax, enjoy the family, enjoy friends, enjoy my subscribers, watch their videos, and wish them a happy holiday season. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.